We live in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, a silent revolution is underway. This revolution is powered by artificial intelligence. Join me as we take a deep dive into the fascinating world of AI. Artificial intelligence, it's a term that often evokes images of sentient robots and futuristic dystopias, but the reality of AI is far more nuanced and frankly, more exciting. It's about creating systems that can analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions with incredible accuracy. The journey of artificial intelligence began long before the digital age. The concept of creating intelligent machines can be traced back to ancient mythologies. In the 1950s, Alan Turing posed a pivotal question: can machines think? Turing's famous Turing test proposed that a machine could be considered intelligent if it could mimic human responses well enough to fool a human judge. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956 is often heralded as the birth of AI as a field of study. Researchers like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky gathered to discuss the possibility of creating intelligent machines. These early pioneers laid the theoretical foundations by developing the first algorithms and exploring the potential of symbolic reasoning. As the field of artificial intelligence evolved, researchers realized that mimicking human intelligence was more complex than initially thought. By the 1980s, a new approach called machine learning began to gain traction. Instead of programming machines with specific instructions, researchers developed algorithms that allowed machines to learn from data. One of the most important developments was the creation of neural networks, models inspired by the human brain's structure. In the 1990s, machine learning saw a boom in practical applications. IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer, made headlines by defeating world champion Garry Kasparov. Advances in computing power and access to large datasets further propelled machine learning research. Companies like Google and Facebook began using machine learning to improve their services. The 21st century has witnessed remarkable milestones in artificial intelligence. In 2011, IBM's Watson made history by defeating human champions on the quiz show Jeopardy! Another significant milestone came in 2016, when Google's DeepMind developed AlphaGo, a program that defeated world champion Go player Lee Sedol. AlphaGo's victory demonstrated the potential of AI to tackle problems requiring intuition and strategic thinking. These accomplishments showcased the rapid advancements in AI capabilities. From medical diagnosis to autonomous vehicles, AI systems are being deployed in a wide range of applications. Machine learning algorithms are now integral to technologies we use every day, from voice assistants to recommendation engines. At the heart of every artificial intelligence system lie two fundamental components: algorithms and data. These elements work in tandem, driving the learning and decision-making processes that make AI so powerful. Think of algorithms as a set of instructions or rules that guide the AI system. Data, on the other hand, is the fuel that powers these algorithms. The more data an AI system is exposed to, the more it learns, and the better it becomes at performing its designated tasks. Consider a language translation app. The accuracy and fluency of its translations rely heavily on the vast amounts of text data it has been trained on. But how exactly do AI systems learn from data? This is where the magic of machine learning comes into play. Machine learning algorithms are designed to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. One common method is supervised learning, where the AI system is fed labeled data. For example, images of cats and dogs with corresponding labels indicating which is which. The algorithm learns to identify the distinctive features of each animal, eventually becoming capable of classifying new, unseen images. Another approach is unsupervised learning. Here, the AI system is presented with unlabeled data and tasked with finding patterns and relationships on its own. Reinforcement learning is another powerful technique where an AI agent learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for desired actions and penalties for undesirable ones. These are just a few examples of how AI systems learn from data. Now that we understand how AI learns, let's explore the different types of artificial intelligence. Currently, most AI systems fall under the category of narrow or weak AI. These systems are designed to perform specific tasks like playing chess, recommending movies, or translating languages. They excel in their designated domains but lack the general intelligence and adaptability of humans. On the other end of the spectrum lies the concept of general or strong AI. This represents the holy grail of AI research, creating machines with human-like cognitive abilities. While general AI remains largely theoretical, it continues to captivate our imaginations and fuel ongoing research. The field of healthcare stands to be one of the most profoundly impacted by the rise of artificial intelligence. AI algorithms, with their ability to analyze vast datasets and detect patterns, are proving to be invaluable tools for medical professionals. One of the most promising applications of AI is in medical imaging analysis. AI algorithms trained on millions of images can detect tumors, aneurysms, and other anomalies with remarkable accuracy. Beyond diagnosis, AI is transforming treatment planning and drug discovery. By analyzing patient data, AI algorithms can help oncologists develop personalized treatment plans tailored to each patient's unique needs. Furthermore, AI is accelerating the drug discovery process by analyzing vast databases of molecular structures. The integration of AI in healthcare is still in its early stages, but the potential benefits are undeniable. The transportation and logistics industries are undergoing a massive transformation fueled by the advancements in artificial intelligence. From self-driving vehicles to intelligent traffic management systems, AI is poised to revolutionize how we move people and goods across the globe. The most widely recognized application of AI in transportation is the development of self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are pouring billions of dollars into developing autonomous vehicles. These vehicles rely on a suite of sensors, cameras, and sophisticated AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely. Beyond self-driving vehicles, AI is optimizing traffic flow in cities worldwide. Intelligent traffic management systems use cameras and sensors to collect real-time traffic data. This dynamic approach to traffic management can significantly reduce travel times, fuel consumption, and air pollution. AI is transforming logistics and supply chain management, optimizing delivery routes and managing warehouse operations with robots. The entertainment industry has always been at the forefront of adopting new technologies, and artificial intelligence is no exception. From personalized content recommendations to the creation of immersive virtual worlds, AI is transforming how we consume and experience entertainment. One of the most evident applications of AI in entertainment is personalized content recommendations. Streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing and listening habits. Beyond recommendations, AI is being used to create more immersive and interactive entertainment experiences. Video game developers are using AI to create more realistic and challenging non-player characters. In the world of film and television, AI is being used to create stunning visual effects and generate realistic dialogue. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and mind-blowing entertainment experiences. While the examples we've discussed so far might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, artificial intelligence is quietly weaving its way into our everyday lives. From the smart assistants in our homes to the personalized recommendations on our phones, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. Consider the rise of smart homes, thermostats that learn your preferred temperature settings, lighting systems that adjust to the time of day, and security cameras that can identify familiar faces are just a few examples of how AI is making our homes more comfortable, efficient, and secure. These smart devices use AI algorithms to learn your preferences and automate tasks, freeing up your time and mental energy for more important things. Our smartphones, now extensions of ourselves, are also becoming increasingly reliant on AI. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use natural language processing to understand your commands and provide information, set reminders, and even control other smart devices in your home. These assistants are becoming more sophisticated every day, learning your habits, anticipating your needs, and seamlessly integrating into your daily life. AI is also transforming the way we shop, bank, and even exercise. E-commerce platforms use AI to recommend products based on your browsing history, while financial institutions use AI to detect fraudulent transactions and personalize your banking experience. Fitness trackers use AI to monitor your activity levels, provide personalized workout recommendations, and even track your sleep patterns. The integration of AI into our everyday lives is still in its early stages, but it's clear that AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here and now, enhancing our lives in subtle but significant ways. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more seamless and intuitive applications that will continue to redefine what's possible in our daily routines. As AI becomes integral to our lives, addressing ethical considerations is crucial. Bias in AI systems is a pressing concern. AI trained on biased data can perpetuate and amplify those biases. Imagine an AI for hiring decisions skewed towards male candidates. It might unfairly penalize female applicants. Transparency in AI decision-making is also a concern. Deep learning models can be black boxes. This is problematic in high-stakes domains like healthcare or criminal justice. Ensuring fairness and accountability in AI is paramount. Researchers are working on techniques to mitigate bias and improve transparency. Establishing ethical guidelines and regulations is crucial for AI's benefit to humanity. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence often lead to profound, even unsettling questions about the future of humanity. Will machines eventually surpass human intelligence? Could AI become self-aware, developing consciousness and desires of its own? These questions, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, are now being seriously considered by philosophers, scientists, and technologists. The possibility of creating machines with human-level or even superhuman intelligence is both exhilarating and daunting. Some experts believe that super-intelligent AI, if developed responsibly, could help solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from climate change to disease eradication. Others caution that such advanced AI could pose an existential threat, potentially exceeding our control and reshaping the world according to its own objectives. While the development of conscious AI remains highly speculative, it's a topic that demands careful consideration. Exploring the ethical implications, establishing safeguards, and fostering open dialogue about the potential risks and benefits of advanced AI will be crucial as we navigate this uncharted territory. The future of artificial intelligence is filled with both promise and uncertainty. One thing is certain: AI will continue to advance at an astonishing pace, transforming our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The responsibility lies with us, as a society, to guide the development and application of AI in a direction that benefits all of humankind. This requires a multifaceted approach. We need to invest in AI research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible while addressing the ethical challenges that arise. Education and public awareness are crucial to demystify AI, empowering individuals to engage in informed discussions about its implications. Collaboration is key. Governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public must work together to establish ethical guidelines, foster responsible innovation, and ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a way that aligns with our shared values. The future with AI is not predetermined. It's a future we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. By embracing a future-oriented mindset, promoting responsible AI development, and fostering global cooperation, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all. We've journeyed through the intricate workings of artificial intelligence, from its humble beginnings to its profound impact on our world today. We've explored how AI learns from data, the different types of AI emerging, and the transformative applications taking shape across various industries. The potential of AI to solve complex problems, enhance our capabilities, and improve our lives is undeniable. However, this potential comes with a shared responsibility. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our world, we must do so with careful consideration for its ethical implications. Bias in AI systems, transparency in decision-making, and the potential impact on jobs and societal structures are just a few of the challenges we must address. It's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. The future we shape with AI will depend on the choices we make today. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. New breakthroughs emerge regularly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and challenging our understanding of intelligence itself. This journey of discovery is far from over. It's an ongoing process that requires our continued attention and engagement. I encourage you to stay curious about AI, to delve deeper into its intricacies, to question its implications, and to engage in informed discussions about its role in our future. Stay informed about the latest developments, the ethical debates, and the opportunities that arise. The world of AI is full of wonder, complexity, and immense potential. By embracing a future-oriented mindset, promoting responsible AI development, and fostering global cooperation, we can harness the power of this transformative technology to create a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of artificial intelligence. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create together.